to go.
I saw that. Little faker.
He's going, is that good enough? Let's go in.
Yeah, he did. He's not stupid. Where are you? Hey, Brian. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Look at this snow. He's going by the fire. Hey, Brian. Look at Mommy. How are you going to poop if you don't poop outside?
You don't like
Look right by the fire.
Put lots of mats down over there.
Yeah.
Under the door. Everywhere.